Okay, go! Go! You guys got off the track. So pretty. Here they come. Oh, Mom, sorry. Is it fun?
That is so much fun.
See, I told you. Sorry, I didn't mean to grab your bird.
I got the whip back on my car. Put that alarm on.
Did you? You did that?
You know what's pissing me off? They don't find my car. They don't care. They're carrying stuff. I have to get mad right now, too.
Go, Jesse. Go by yourself.
All right, I'm going to go. Go! No, I'm going to go with you. Yes! I want to go. Fine, I'll go on this one then.
Hold on, here comes Papa.
All right, all right. You feel better now? Huh?
Go.
Oh.
Oh my God, this is exaggerator.
What happened? You good? Here, you have a. Look at it. It's in your hoodie.